Hi there, hi everyone. What's happening? Yes. Today, in the daily newspaper of Friday, June the 11th, 2021, we have only two regular Sudokus, I've told you, and I've solved this, the Sudoku Light and the Heavy Sudoku. But in this newspaper, there's no additional, so no extra Sudokus today. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle page of yesterday's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, Thursday, June the 10th, 2021. We have 4 puzzles left in this additional Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars. I have a tectonic with 1 star and a binary puzzle. So 4 puzzles left. And the first puzzle I will solve will be a number 2931. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, the first one, has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? So, let's get started, alright? Let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? Yeah. How about the 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 5. Should be there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Then how about this big square? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in the middle column, so no 7 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then in this column, the middle column, 3 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. 7. Yeah. 6. How about the number 8? Yeah. I'm thinking. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. No, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2. Yeah. 2, 2. Well. 3, 3, 3, 3. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 9 are missing, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3 in this big square. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 7. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Yeah. So now 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing and the 7th. No. Yeah, 3 and the 7th. 3 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 and a 3 in this column, so no 8 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes, 8 and the 3 as a pair. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4, 9 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 9. Yes, 9 is missing. Alright, and now 2 numbers left in this column. The 1 and the 5 are missing. 1 and the 5, I need to mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 8 and 5. Alright. 7 and 3. Let me see. 8, 5, 7. 8, 5, 7. No. How about, let me see. 1, 2, 8. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. No. Here 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7 are missing in this column. 3, 4, 7 The missing numbers in this column, 3, 4, 7. We see here 4 and a 7 in this row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so one digit left in this column for the number 3. Alright. Alright. Yeah. 2, 2. 2, 2. Yeah. How about 1 can be here? 1. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. Still cannot fill this yet. 1, 2, 8. Very strange. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The missing number here. This box cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Cannot be a 6. Cannot be a 7. Should be an 8. Cannot be a 9. Yes. The missing number here. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes for the 9. Alright. 1 and a 5. Okay. So what are those missing numbers? The 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 2, 3, and the 6. 2, 3, 6. 2, 6. 2, 3, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5, 2. 1, 5, 2, 6. 5, 6. 1, 2. This box would be 1, 2. 1, 5, 2, 6. 1, 5, 2. This should be a 6. This. Alright, this row. 4 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 5, the 2, and the 6. 1, 5, 2, 6. And look, we have a 1, 5, and a 2 here. So this box can be 1, 5, or a 2. So 1 digit left should be the 6. Alright. So 1, 5, 2 are left. 1, 5, 2. We have a 1 and a 5 here. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 3. Those 2. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. This box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore, that box should be a 6, and this box should be a 3. Alright, now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore, that box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 8 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Correct, 1 star. Well, you can also give this a 2 stars. But I like this one, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku I will solve. See you then, bye bye for now.